everybody, Yamez here with Island Metal Forge. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little video on a bottle opener based on something that young Gabe over at Demolitia Blacksmithing came up with. He's doing a community video series on, show me your coolest bottle opener. And in bumbling this around in my head for a little bit, I decided what I can do is not my coolest bottle opener, but the coolest thing that I can do with the bottle opener. I have with me my brother Josh. He is one of the founding members of Island Metal Forge. Back when I, didn't have any idea what I was doing out here in my old forging area, he helped me build the first forge. He helped me, heat the metal. Showed, it's like we kind of tinkered around and learned how to start together. And due to life getting in the way for him, work. He hasn't had a chance to get out to the shop, but, once or twice in the past, year. So he actually had some time today to come by, and it's like, oh, great, I'm shooting a video on bottle openers. And he needs a bottle opener. So today I'm going to show him how to do a very super simple bottle opener with a twist. Which I think you were there helping me with twists at the beginning.
Yep, I was.
Yep.
Didn't really learn too much, but I was also kind of fidgeting and trying to clean things up and learning basics, so...
As you can see. But we're going to get to it. We're just going to do a simple, I got some 3/8 stock, and we're going to throw a couple twists on that, and just do a simple hook bottle opener. And if you've got heat, fire, and something to hit against, you can make one of these. Super simple. So, enjoy. What we're going to do, we're going to let the metal soak the heat so that it's got a nice, thorough heat. And then we're going to start, you're going to put it in the vise, grab the twisting wrench, and give it, if you want to do a multiple twists, like a reversal, you can go halfway down, give it a twist, and then cool it. Yeah, cool that, reheat, or keep it cool, and then move up and twist the opposite way. It'll give you a nice double twist. I'll put the water right here. And so with that, while that's soaking, with that, while that's soaking. So with that, if you put this in the vise here, and you've got this all heated up, you put the vise, or you put the wrench right here, twist, then put it back in the heat, and then cool it up to the twist, or just under where the twist stops. So that doesn't twist backwards. Yeah, so that doesn't twist backwards. And then you put it back in and you twist the opposite direction. It'll give you a nice, nice even turn. Gotcha. Only this, watch how much? Just about a ½ inch. All right, get it in, choose your twist. Alright, so you want to be quick with it on the next one. Alright. Now cool off over here. Just up on the twist, and get into it. same way. There you go. We can do one more round, one more set of twists.
Yeah, here's the next set.
Show them where we're at. Yep. There you go.
I was supposed to spin the other way.
There we go. Straightened out. You got your twist on it?
Yes, sir. Don't grab hot tongs.
Yep, careful.
Almost want to tighten the first twist. No.
Alright, so now what we're going to do is we are going to pick an end, and that's going to be the end that we smush. We're going to pick a side that we want to be the bottle opener hook and flatten that and give it a hook. Now, pick your spot just about a half inch, just under a half inch, or just over a half inch, half on, half off blows. Flip it over and make sure it stays straight. You want it to look like that. If you got to go a little bit more, go a little bit more. Right? Because then what we're going to do is we're going to back it, turn it this way. Okay? All right. Try and get that shoulder to form further up. Yeah. Now keep it. Yeah. You got it. Okay, you should have it looking about like that.
Not as flat as yours. But...
Right. Well, that's fine. We're going to curl it over. We're going to heat it up and give it a hook. All right? The other way. Yeah. So what you're going to do is you're going to get it hot, put it on the anvil, and knock it down some. Okay? If you want to keep the tip, dip just the tip in just a little bit there, so that you have a place to hit it. You're just knocking it, you're not forming it. And put it over the edge, knock it back, like that. Alright, then once you get that, flip it over like that, and continue to curl. Like that. A little bit more. Hammer it down. Yeah, flat down on like that. Yep. Yep. that ought to be able to open it. Very simple, very clean. Alright. That's about right. Let's show them. So you'll have that bit of a hook right there. Very simple, super easy. Now, we're going to go one step further, Gabe, and we're going to put a brass transfer on these. Over here. So we'll just descale it with this. Brush it quickly at the black heat. And it gives it a nice brass finish. Okay. Now we're going to throw some finishing wax on it. What was that? Just to melt it for this. All right, so it's not my best bottle opener, you know, for example, this piece of chainsaw that I turned into a bottle opener, but a simple, easy bottle opener that anybody can do. And I had the opportunity to teach my brother, who would like to, you know, start making videos of his own for my channel, the Island Forge Empire, you know. So it's like giving him a nice welcome to the community. And I figure, what better video than a community video? So,
thank you very much, and I hope to entertain y'all more often.
Me too. Hearts and health, everybody.
Hearts and health.
Y'all have a wonderful night. Enjoy. But wait, there's more. I'm going to leave a link right up here for Demolitia's challenge video, his live stream that he did, and right underneath my channel here. My channel's up here. His channel's going to be right here. Go ahead and check him out. I think he's got some talent. And random video.